Hello everyone, welcome to Can Coffee. Here we have a zaconii grinder. Now this grinder was brought here because the motor was stuck, and that was because something was preventing the blades to pretty much spin. So we removed that, and we also replaced the blades. They were in really bad shape. We had to, yeah, they were really bad shape. So we just pretty much replaced them, got a new blade burst in there, and now the grinder is working perfectly fine. This is for the filters. Yeah, working perfectly fine. Let's see if I can. No, we don't have one. And as you can see, grinding really fine. We have a coarser and everything, and yeah, grinding working. Okay, thank you for preparing with Can Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.